Hi, friends. Not Smoky Glow here. Am I talking too loud?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. This is a thing. I'm going to rub it. I think this is toner. Is this toner? Put it on my face. Oh, I love that brush. Using Charles's favorite brush here. We're going real quick. Okay, this is I can't read that at all. ColourPop and something else. Gonna do a little glue stick action here on our upper forehead, and our cheek. And now we're gonna use what seems to be the exact same thing, but in a different color to do that now we're going everywhere. What are we doing now? I guess we're just blending it out. Blending. Wow, what a face you make when you're blending. That's make sure you get the chin area real good. Oh yeah. Blend it into the neck. Yep, just like that. Yep. Oh yeah, that was real professional. Don't cut that out at all. Oh, now we got a beauty blender. 2 forms of blend. Oh, okay, wait. I totally missed that. I saw it said HD. I have no idea. Oh, are we contouring our eyes? Is that a thing that you can do? No. We're baking? No, this is definitely still contouring. For sure. And now we're blending it out. Man, I feel like 85% of what you do is blending. Am I wrong? Are you just not going to talk?
I know. I don't know if I'm supposed to be here.
Oh. Okay, just sit silently next to me and supervise me. That's fine. Thanks, Mom. What? You got a problem? This is like you're trying to start a fight with me. Okay. I totally missed what that was, but I know that it's setting powder because I know that's what comes next. No, it can't be setting powder because you wouldn't be putting it in with a blender. Look at this. That was so unprofessional. You couldn't even read that. Here's another powder of some sort being put on with another brush. I feel like she only uses all these brushes once and then just never cleans them. And then they go in the not clean brush jar. Okay, this is a setting spray. That I know. Yeah, that's doing a lot for you. Okay, here we go. Back with this blender. Okay. It's upside down. Can't read it at all. Nice try, though. Blush? Question mark? No, bronzer. You know what's really funny is if you go back and look at her old videos, she obviously missed this step, and there's just like a very pale line where her hairline used to be, or where her hairline is, and the rest of her makeup is just on her face, completely unblended into her hairline. She's very angry at me for saying that, I can tell. Oh yeah, get right under there. There you go. Keep going. I hope you all enjoyed that mouth sound as I swallowed. Yeah, more. Does that technically count as bronzer when it's white? Oh, great, Too-Faced. Gotta smell like a peach, everybody. I'm guessing that this is a blush, but why would you put a blush on your neck? Man, look at that thing. It's got like 5 colors in there. What could that possibly be? What is that? Can we go back? I don't even know what that is. Okay, this is setting powder. I'm 100% sure on this one. So I'm going to be better going forward. I just don't know any of the powders. There's like 50 powders you put on. This is definitely setting powder, though. What was that Too-Faced thing? I've never seen that before. Cover FX. That's the simplest one to read, and she holds it for the longest. Okay, this is definitely blush. Definitely blush. Applying to the upper cheekbone area and shaking her head for some reason. Yep. Other upper cheekbone area. And a little bit on the nose. There's that Starbucks Frappuccino, but no. What do you get it with?
I'm not supposed to talk.
Oh, sorry. Oh, great. There's my favorite, the soft clam. Why are you putting that on your eyebrows? You're just using the mirror from it. That was very confused for a second. I was like, isn't that a palette? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Get those eyebrows. Interesting technique there. Notice that you skipped most of it, like every other beauty guru on the internet. All right. So we're filling in now. Still have no idea what you're doing to your eyebrows. I'm guessing that's like an eyebrow gel. That's a word I've heard you use. Yep. Cool. We get to look at them, but I still have no idea what you're doing. That seems to be mascara, which I thought was for eyelashes, not eyebrows. Oh, yeah. Yep. Wiggle them away. There it is, the soft clam. You used that just because you knew that I like it. Seems to be a pinkish color on the inner corner, and that is the exact same color as your skin that for some reason you still have to put on over your skin. On the outside corner, what is that? Is that the cut crease? Yep, that's some eyeshadow. And there's a darker color. Man, you really like brown, huh? I feel like 85% of, if you looked at all of the palettes you own, I bet that 85% of them would be brown or tan.
That's not what this video is about.
Okay. Just listen. It's real easy for me to go off on a tangent. Gotcha. What could this possibly be? Sparkles, of course. I should have known. Should have known. Why would you do that whole eye look and then just put a gold sparkle over everything? What is the point of, why not just put the gold sparkle directly on? It's creating layers. Okay. Well, that looks pretty good. Put your tongue away. Stop dabbing. Oh my God. I feel like I'm with my uncool aunt or something. Man, that was scary. What was that? Are you putting, oh yeah, because you have to match the under eye. Otherwise it looks weird. That still looks a little weird though, but I trust the process. There's some mascara. Looks like the exact same things you put on your eyebrow. Yeah, how do you fill the time in this? Just watching you, mascara, yep.
You have to make jokes and be funny.
Yeah, I don't really do that though. Okay, that turned out pretty good. Got to do them lower lashes. Yeah, some lower lash action. I like that color headband, though. Can you put your tongue away? What is wrong with you? All right, let's see. I have absolutely no idea what that is. It looked like a crayon. Crayoning your eyebrows. Or your eyelashes. It's got to bake for that long? I forgot you even had the setting powder on. Do you think the setting powder actually works? I feel like it doesn't work at all, and it's just like something else they try to sell you. Oh, that turned out pretty good. What is this now? Highlighter? You glow, girl. Ha 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 ha. No? A black case. Great. Really informative. Still have no idea what that is. How come? Did you take this makeup off?
I'm wearing it right now.
Oh. Looks better on camera. Make sure you just highlight everywhere, I guess. Yeah, get that chin. Those cheekbones. Really just your entire face, I guess, with highlighter. Inner corners. Outer. You did everywhere but your cheeks, right? Everywhere except for your cheeks. I'm guessing this is a lip gloss. It's Morphe. You've been all about the lip gloss lately, which is weird because you used to say how much you didn't like lip gloss. There's a little bit of a messy application there, but I'll forgive it. I'll forgive it. Some more setting spray on top of everything. That turned out pretty good. I like the look. Here's the Instagram poses. I'm just not going to talk during this part, so it's as awkward as possible. Crickets. Bye.